Bismillah. I've done a lot of videos on castor oil, and I wanted to go over in this one some 3 very important things that most people forget about castor oil that really should be number 1 and is why it is better than Botox. You want to hear a scary story? Botox is a protein and it's made from botulinum toxin. That is the same toxin that causes botulism. And what it does is it temporarily paralyzes your muscles. And it's not something you can just put on your skin. You have to have injections. And in small doses, it is supposed to help reduce skin wrinkles and help treat a range of smaller medical conditions. Each treatment is usually around $300 to $400 at the low end. So maybe you want to get your crow's feet taken care of around your eyes. That's about $400. It takes 30 minutes. You won't see results for 1 to 5 days and should last from 4 to 6 months. Some basic side effects that you might think about would be that paralysis. So it may also cause more sagging or drooping in certain areas if it was not done correctly or if you have some kind of reaction. And it might even affect your heart, causing arrhythmia. Overall, it's supposed to be safe. I don't know about you, but that's enough for me that this is not the best way to go. And there are, alhamdulillah, other options. So what about castor oil? Does it have side effects like that? Well, it's very rare that anyone has any kind of sensitivity to castor oil. And you want to make sure, of course, if you're using this for your face, it needs to be cold pressed, no hexane, chemical free, stored in a preferably glass bottle, dark glass, to have the best quality product for your face. And in this way, you'll assure yourself that you don't put anything on your face that will cause any kind of reaction. And before you use it, you should always try a skin patch test on anything you put on your face. This will tell you right away if you have any kind of allergy to it. And no other side effects. Cost-wise, castor oil is hundreds times cheaper. You can get a bottle of castor oil for about $9, a good brand, so definitely worth it. And this, you do not need to inject it anywhere. You can just apply it topically on your skin. We'll go into that more later. And how long does castor oil take to work compared to Botox? We're going to go into this in depth a little bit further. But first, let's talk about some benefits you get for using castor oil for your skin. Castor oil first is natural. It's just a plant product, and it can do a lot of those things that you get from Botox, but way better and way more. It is antibacterial. It's antifungal. What that means is it could heal and repair and kill off bacteria very well. So this makes it really great for preventing wrinkles because it helps to fight off free radicals, which are things that come on your skin, maybe pollution or chemicals from your makeups. And it's also, like I said, it kills bacteria. It's antibacterial. And that makes it really good for fighting acne, even though it is a very thick oil. We'll talk about how to fix that in a little bit. But it's excellent for fighting acne. It even heals up the acne scars and repairs the skin while it's doing that. It helps to promote collagen production, which helps to start your skin producing new healthy cells. So all of this is important for getting your skin on track after an acne attack. So this is really, really good for acne. Castor oil is also excellent for reducing any kind of puffiness and swelling. And usually when you're getting wrinkles and fine lines, things like this appear, you have puffiness and swelling around your eyes, around your mouth, also making it look more apparent. So when you can reduce the swelling in your face, this will also, of course, help the wrinkles to look less. A big plus with castor oil is it's super moisturizing. It doesn't just lock in moisture. It helps your skin to be moisturized deeply, not just on the surface layer, but all through the layers. And this will help to plump up the skin cells, helping your skin look firmer, fuller, less wrinkles, which is similar to Botox because it does the same exact thing. And it also can happen as fast as Botox or faster in some cases. Many times people report that they see results by next day. So depending on your body, we'll get into that a little bit more. Castor oil is awesome for your lips. You know your lips don't have any oil glands. There's no oil glands there. So that's why they get dried out and more pruny and they need more help. So this is where applying castor oil to your lips will really make a difference because it's so penetrating with moisture and it helps to lock it in on your skin. I'll leave a tip at the end of this video how to really maximize this for your lips later. So the 3 things I want to mention that get forgotten is 1, castor oil is an amplifier. I think people should maximize the ability of what castor oil can do by using this feature. For example, if you have vitamin C serum, you like to put that on your skin, you want this to work amazingly for your skin, 10 times better. You would put the vitamin C serum on your skin first, let that dry for like 5 minutes, and then apply your castor oil layer on top of that. This has amazing anti-aging effects. It really amplifies the work from the vitamin C serum. So they're both doing the double duty, if you call it, for your skin. And make sure, of course, you don't put vitamin C serum on during the day. This is some skincare you would do at your nighttime routine. But this works really well for so many things. If you watch my video on Vaseline, you can see Vaseline also has this effect of helping to lock in, but it doesn't amplify as well as castor oil. What it does, it locks in. But if you use the 2 together, this is amazing for your lips. You could mix castor oil and Vaseline together, like 1:1 ratio, and use this as an excellent chapstick for your lips. It will work amazing. That's my tip for your lips. All right, now I wanted to add number 2. What about black castor oil? Is there a difference between the black castor oil, the Jamaican black castor oil, golden castor oil? It does not matter. If you want to use the black castor oil, the golden castor oil, whichever one, they both work equally amazing for your face, for your skin, all those benefits. It doesn't matter which one you prefer. They both work perfect. On number 3 point I want to bring up is mixing castor oil with a carrier oil, because this castor oil, everyone complains, oh, it's so thick. You know, what do? You can easily use a carrier oil such as coconut oil. This works for most skin types. If it's not for you, that's fine. You can mix it with also sesame oil, almond oil, olive oil. So you just pick which one is great for your skin type. This will make it more easy to apply because it won't be so thick. It'll just be like a regular oil then, and very easy to apply. Just by using it as straight castor oil or mixing it with your carrier oil, it's going to do some really good stuff really fast. Some of the factors that make a difference is your health already. Other factors, of course, will play along with this because unlike Botox, this is a natural product that depends on other factors of your own body. So this is something to think about with castor oil. It does work amazing, and if you're not seeing amazing results right away, don't give up on it. It works wonders. In fact, I've done a lot of videos on this. You can go and veg out, watch my playlist over here. This one works. Those are the 3 things I want you to remember when you're using it. And if you want to have the perfect recipe I found for using castor oil for your skin to help with any anti-aging to really maximize it, you can go and watch this video over here on this specific moisturizer that I made. Awesome for your skin. Go and watch that. All right, like, subscribe. Please leave some comments down below. How you feel about Botox, have you tried castor oil, and all your thoughts. I love to hear it. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.